In this video, let's see how to create a new item category and set up its determination in order to use it for sales processes. Let's go to IMG screen, then Sales and Distribution Sales Documents. Then Sales Document item and click on Define Item Categories. It's always a best practice to copy a standard SAP sales item category so that all the relevant copying controls and settings also gets copied along with it, and then make the necessary modifications in our new item category as per the business requirement. We will name our new item category as ZECM and give description as e-commerce item. Now let's say the business requirement is that the item gets completed with its first reference. To do this, we will go to completion rule and select A. As soon as we will press enter, system will show us a pop-up confirming that all the related copying control settings will also be copied from item category that we referred to in order to create this new item category. Click on save and our new item category will be created. Now let's set up determination for this item category in order to use it for sales processes. We can either click on new entries or copy an existing entry and make necessary modifications as per our requirement. For this demo, we will copy an existing combination. Now let's enter the combination we want to set up the determination for. Click on save and our item category determination is complete. There you have it. In this video, we've seen how to create a new item category and set up its determination in order to use it for sales processes.